I'm asking him, not you. Stop answering me. I'm asking my fucking tax attorney here. What's your name, sir? Noah. Noah. Jewish. Jewish. Was Noah Jewish? Noah wasn't Jewish? Before the Jews. Somebody went to Hebrew school over here. Thanks a lot, Yeshiva princess. Check it, bavakasha. But killing it with the Jewish shit tonight. You're obviously Jewish. Yeah. I don't mean, obviously is a weird way to, I don't know. I don't know why I said obviously. It's just, I don't know. Why did I say obviously? Are you guys Jewish too? No. You're Jewish. And then you're just a fucking Christian in the middle. Coming soon to CBS, Christian in the Middle. These guys are Jewish. I'm more of a King James version.